Hi, my name is Kris Perry, Executive Director of Children and Screens, Institute of Digital Media and Child Development. I'm here to talk about the great work that Kris Flack and UnPlug provided to our team, which is fully remote, by translating the science around digital learning and digital work teams into real actionable steps that we can use in our daily work lives. It's been a pleasure to rely on the information and the tips and the good ideas that Kris provided. The team was really happy with the workshop that we attended. And most of all, Kris's delivery, his humor, and his empathy came through from the very beginning, and we look forward to working with him again. Thanks so much.